All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to put paper into your Canon printer. This is special paper that I bought that's for laser and jet printers. And I'm not going to put a bunch in. I'm putting just a very thin amount. I'm going to grab it like that. And we're going to go over here to our printer. And we're going to go ahead and put her in there. So the first thing you got to do is pull this little thing out like that. And then you're going to just take it and slide it in there, just like that. All right, let me pull back a little bit. And once you got it in there, you set that down. And let's just check and make sure that the paper's good. And what it does, it's going to show you paper has been replaced in the power off state. Register the paper information. All right, let's just go to home. Okay, I'm just going to hit OK. All right, page size, you know, plain paper, whatever, plain paper. All right, cool. Now let's go ahead and hit this. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn it off. This is a pain in the butt. I swear to God, just a pain in the ass. So I'm going to turn it off and I'm just going to turn it back on. It should be in working condition. And it should give me my home page. Bam, we're ready to go. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to put paper in copy machines. Peace out.